Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video, dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscriber, you will see in this videos modern bob haircuts ideas, multi-shade bob with bangs haircuts designs. So lovely viewer, you will see in this videos front, back and side both unique bob with bangs haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So dear viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. I have uploaded modern bob haircuts designs. Do you have new ideas of unique haircuts ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how's my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watching you all very attractive and very stylish, unique, hottest bob haircuts and hairstyles for 2024. Viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I have uploaded curved bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, choppy bob haircuts, and you will see different haircuts designs ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Watch my full videos and enjoy your unique haircuts designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So watch my full videos and enjoy your unique bob haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friend, you will see unique